Alyssa. This is Emily. This is Alyssa. And this is Mariah. We went to Buffalo Wild Wings.
Okay, Emily has to pee.
Oh, this is a good angle. We watched Up Brothers today. It was fun.
I see one of my shoes.
AJ, what is it?
It's the Casey Neistat pod. Yay! They're all good gear.
Look.
They're not gear.
It goes
that way.
and then this one.
Ow, my pinky. That's awesome. Waking up.
Camera bendy tripod is a 10. This guy parks in front of my car. My mom blocked him in. So now he's trying to move his truck. And my car is gonna get hit in the process. Let's watch. Here we go. There it goes. Oh, he just hit my car. He just hit my car. I think I recorded it. You just witnessed my car getting hit. And now I'm gonna go check the damage, which there won't be any. But if there is, then I have it all on video. Hi, Jerry. What are you doing? Are you being a rock again? I mean, my car's already been hit before, so I wouldn't really notice if there was anything different. My sad car. I made that last part up. My car's never been hit. I hit someone else. Same diff. I put my tripod up in this really cool spot right now, and I feel like Casey Neistat, so I'm gonna leave it there. So I'm super busy. I'm still working at the Air Force Base, but only on weekends because I started my new job. I'm going to a car show tomorrow, and I'm sure Anthony will want me to record that. So
I don't know about that stand. That's kind of like...
Where are we going?
Sac Raceway. Ford versus Chevy.
Car show.
Look, he's got skinnies in the front. All Chevy and Ford bodied or powered.
it's really sunny here. Gotta get your shaved ice in.
Right there. They're like boxing. Like fighting. What the heck? Where are we going?
Going to the beach.
The beach.
We are going to take pictures of Anthony's car.
And Justin's car.
And Justin's,
His
my
M4.
cousin's car. A BMW. There it is.
is. Get down, hit the deck.
That's him.
Now, if you're looking for car goals, then this is the one.
Like, we want to go fast. I'm so jealous.
Have you gone down there before?
Is that where the soccer fields are? On to the next one. Boys and car pictures.
Oh, there he goes! Oh, that was cool, Anthony.
Higher. Higher. Now hands closer together. Higher. Your hands are not level.
Put your left hand up just a little.
You need to be high. Oh, but that hand.
Flatter hand, flatter right hand.
You nailed it.
It's
Oh, they didn't even see Hey, here guys, look. I don't smoke or anything, but look, I got this cool lighter.
Don't light by my camera.
You hear that? I can touch my finger on it too. Ready?
So cancerous. Can you stop?